Alright, so we're going to talk about quadrilateral and a polygon. So open up, so it says polygon on this one, so we're going to be writing behind it. Okay, so it says polygon, so you can know what's a polygon behind it. Same color for mine. Oop. So I'm going to write polygon that way just in case you write it on a different sheet, you still know what a polygon means. So some people were talking about how many sides does a polygon have. There are three important things about a polygon. It has to be 2D or two-dimensional. So that means it has a length and a width. So you can see how tall it is, you can see how long it is, but it's not three-dimensional like this pen or this eraser. That's the first thing you have to remember about a polygon. The second thing you have to remember about a polygon is it has straight edges. So it can't be curved, it can't be like a circle. That's not a polygon. And then the third thing to remember about a polygon is that it's a closed figure. So I'll give you the definitions and then we'll do some examples. So that's what a polygon is. Two-dimensional, so it can't be like this cup, it can't be like this paper. It has to be two-dimensional. So what I'm talking about is this eraser has a length, it has a height, but it also has the width. And two-dimensional figures are not. Two-dimensional figures are only things you draw. We don't have any two-dimensional figures in our real life. Besides, I guess, cartoons, but... So let's do some examples down here. And then we'll do some non-examples. So, two-dimensional, it could be like this. It cannot be like this. Alright? Those are some examples. It's only supposed to have a length and a height, but it's not supposed to have the width. Yes. It can't be a circle, can't be anything curved. I think of something else. Can't be anything like that. It has to be closed. So that, make sure you leave it closed. It can't, I'm sorry, this one's open because it's not connected. It has to be closed. Like that. Cannot be open. And that's a polygon. Polygon can have 3 sides, 4 sides, it can have 6 sides, 10 sides, 8, nope, it could be 7. I'm trying to make one that's 7. You can have 4 sides, 6 sides, 7 sides, 3 sides. They just have to be straight, has to be closed, and it can't be 3D. Jacob, are you taking these notes? We are taking notes, son, on the color paper with the quadrilaterals. Alright, so I'm going to open up quadrilateral now. And a quadrilateral is pretty much the same thing as a polygon. The only thing that makes a quadrilateral different is that it is a polygon, but it has 4 sides. So one of the things that's going to be really important in this unit is that you can compare and contrast these different types of quadrilaterals and shapes. This polygon doesn't have to be a quadrilateral. So those are the different things I'm going to ask you. What's different? What makes this one special? And we're going to do that in just a minute. You'll have to complete a chart based on what you know about the quadrilaterals. So